Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to resize photo on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to resize your photo on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to open the Google Photos app in your phone and then select the photo which you want to resize. As I'm going to resize this one, so you just have to look for edit option. Here's the edit option, just select it, and here you have the option of crop, just select it, and here the resize option, just select it, and here you can easily resize this photo. As I'm going to select 3 by 2, so just select it and it will be resized automatically. You can select the size, and after that you just have to tap on save copy, and here you can see I have created a photo which I have customized or resized. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.